A forgotten boat lies submerged in a murky stream, a testament to time's relentless passage. Inside a battered truck, a young woman's weary face tells a story of struggle and hardship. Her sigh reveals a profound weariness, a quiet moment of exhaustion. She wades through the muddy water, a single figure battling against the harsh environment. The hood of an abandoned truck is lifted, revealing an engine filled with dry leaves and neglect. The woman desperately pushes her truck, trapped in the stream, a determined fight for survival. An older man arrives, bringing a sense of hope and community to the dire situation. A cable is attached, preparing for a collective effort to free the trapped truck. The red truck pulls the smaller one from the water, a powerful act of rescue. The woman watches with relief as her truck is finally pulled to safety. The men secure another cable, their teamwork a testament to rural solidarity. The woman joins the effort, her focused gaze a sign of her active participation. Together, they pull the chain, their combined strength a symbol of resilience. A man works diligently to attach a winch to the truck, preparing for the next phase of its journey. The process of securing the cable is difficult, demanding skill and patience. Another winch is attached, a small device with a big purpose. The man works with precision, a craftsman dedicated to his task. The final adjustments are made, ensuring the truck is secure for its move. With the winch attached, the truck is ready to be pulled to safety. A small blue tractor struggles up a muddy hill, a red cart in tow, a symbol of rural labor. A white truck is shown trapped in the mud, a man struggling to free it with a rope. The blue tractor arrives, a powerful ally in the battle against the mud. The tractor pulls the truck, a slow but steady progress out of the swamp. The woman joins in, pushing the truck from behind, a powerful image of shared work. They work together to attach an orange jack to the truck, preparing for a new strategy. The woman instructs the man, her calm focus guiding the difficult process. She places a large rock behind the wheel, a simple but effective solution. The stone acts as a wedge, providing the leverage needed to move the truck. The truck is freed, its journey from the mud to the road a hard-won victory. The woman looks out the window, a look of relief and triumph on her face. The truck is towed down the road, the blue tractor leading the way to a new beginning. The two vehicles move together on a paved road, a sign of their successful escape. The tractor is reflected in the truck's mirror, a reminder of the teamwork that saved it. The truck's journey continues, a testament to perseverance and skill. A view from the front shows the truck on its way, its future now bright. The truck arrives in an open field, its journey with the tractor at an end. The truck is parked, a silent symbol of a problem solved. The truck is towed once more, its ultimate destination still unknown. It finally rests in a parking lot, the story of its rescue now complete. A small, old white truck is towed by a blue tractor, a scene of rural determination. A close-up of the dirty door reveals its weathered state, scarred by time and use. The dashboard is old and dusty, with missing speaker covers, a sign of its age. A green sandal rests beside a wicker basket, a simple detail of rural life. A dirty, translucent windshield washer fluid tank is shown under the car, a testament to its neglect. A rusty exhaust pipe is shown, a clear sign of the truck's old age. A man works to remove the starter, a complex task of engine repair. He uses various tools to dismantle the starter, his experience on display. The old, dirty starter is removed, a key component in need of repair. He carefully disassembles the starter, his actions precise and deliberate. The inner workings of the starter are revealed, showing broken wires and rust. He cuts a small wire, a necessary step in the repair process. A small part of the starter is replaced, a crucial moment in the repair. He reassembles the starter, a methodical act of putting pieces back together. The repaired starter is reinstalled, the heart of the truck ready to beat again. He checks the electrical connections, a final quality check for the repair. The engine roars to life, a happy ending to the repair. The truck is towed away, a testament to the teamwork that brought it back to life. A man kneels on the grass, his hands skillfully working on a rusty engine part. He carefully wraps a small wire with black electrical tape, a meticulous act of repair. He continues to dismantle the engine, his precise movements a sign of his expertise. He gently separates a part, his deep understanding of the machinery on display. He reassembles a part, his hands a blend of strength and careful precision. He tightens bolts with his bare hands, a confident act of a master mechanic. He works on the final part, bringing the engine repair to a close. The repaired part is installed in the car's engine bay, a new beginning for the old machine. A close-up of the dirty engine bay reveals a tangle of wires, a complex world within. He inspects another part of the engine, his careful eye scanning for any issues. A woman in a yellow shirt is shown in the car, a new character in the story of repair. The man works on another part, his focused efforts a continuation of the restoration. He continues to work on the engine, a tireless pursuit of mechanical perfection. A small part is checked, a meticulous act of a seasoned mechanic. He continues his work, a quiet symphony of metal and tools. He works on another part, his hands a blend of strength and precision. He cleans a part of the engine, his work a dedication to restoring it to its former glory. He continues to work on the engine, his hands a blur of motion and purpose. New parts are installed, a quiet promise of a working machine once more. The final part is installed, a triumphant conclusion to the repair process. A man cleans a car part with a stiff brush, preparing it for reassembly. He uses a new brush to clean a nozzle, his meticulousness a testament to his dedication. He washes the nozzles with water, a cleansing ritual for the machine. A woman in yellow kneels by an old truck, cleaning its small components. The man continues to clean the nozzles, his patient work a silent story of restoration. He uses a small screwdriver to dismantle a nozzle, his work precise and careful. He cleans another nozzle, his focus a clear sign of his expertise. He uses a metal tool to remove a nozzle, a quick and confident action. He reassembles the clean nozzles, their new life beginning on a clean slate. The man adjusts the position of the part, ensuring a perfect fit. He tightens the bolts, his work a blend of strength and delicate precision. A small rusty part of the engine is shown, a testament to its age and long life. The woman lifts a car seat, her strong hands a contrast to the fragile machinery. Hands adjust the volume on an old car radio, a small act of bringing the car back to life. Other radio functions are tested, a final check on the car's interior systems. The woman places a wicker basket in the truck, preparing for a new journey. She drives the truck, its successful repair a triumph of her skills. The story takes a dark turn as the truck is shown, wrecked and on its side, in the forest. She picks up a piece of metal, a small, sad souvenir of the accident. The final shot shows the severely damaged truck, a stark reminder of the perils of the road. A young woman stands by a severely damaged car, its smashed body a testament to a terrible accident. The car's interior is a scene of destruction, with torn fabric and shattered plastic. The woman uses a small hammer, her focused efforts a tribute to the car's potential. She tries to start the car, her determined efforts a hopeful act against the odds. She searches the floor of the car, a meticulous hunt for the source of the problem. She stands by the car, a look of disappointment on her face, the car a challenge too big to solve alone. Another woman arrives, bringing new hope and a second set of hands. They work together to attach a chain to the car, a collective effort to free the wreck. The woman in yellow attaches the chain, her determination a powerful force. The tractor pulls the car down the dirt road, its slow journey a testament to their efforts. The taut chain connecting the two vehicles is a symbol of their shared goal. They follow the car, guiding it to its next destination, a new chapter in its life. The journey continues down the road, a slow but steady progress. The car is pulled from the forest, a successful rescue mission. The car is now in an open field, its long journey of liberation at an end. The woman drives the tractor, a powerful force of change and rescue. The car rests in the open, no longer a forgotten wreck. The final shot shows the car in a new location, its story far from over. A woman with a vibrant hat stands by a green machine, a look of weariness on her face. A young woman with a basket on her back holds a car battery, a new challenge ahead. She inspects the engine with a practiced eye, her knowledge a powerful tool. The rusty car is shown in its full decay, a silent cry for help. A close-up of the engine shows its age, its dirty air filter a sign of neglect. A man's hand works on the engine, a careful touch of repair and restoration. He uses a wrench to remove a spark plug, a crucial step in diagnosing the problem. The old, worn spark plugs are laid out, a visual testament to the engine's long life. The old spark plugs are shown up close, their condition a clear sign of their need for replacement. New spark plugs are installed, a new lease on life for the old engine. He tightens the spark plug with a wrench, his work precise and deliberate. He continues to work on the engine, each action a step closer to success. The woman watches with a look of contentment, her trust in the repair process unwavering. He works on a new part of the engine, his hands a blend of strength and skill. He installs another part, his work a methodical and careful process. He continues to work on the engine, a quiet symphony of tools and metal. His work continues, each action a testament to his expertise and dedication. He works on the engine, his hands moving with practiced ease. He continues to work, his efforts bringing the engine back to life. The final part is installed, a triumphant conclusion to the repair process. A man's hands use a wrench to remove a bolt from a dirty engine. He removes another bolt, revealing the engine's camshaft and gears. A woman in yellow works on a rusty car, a powerful image of female mechanics. The man continues to work, his wrench a symbol of his hard work. He uses a larger wrench, his strength and determination on display. He detaches wires and hoses, preparing the engine for deeper repair. A close-up of the engine's valves and cam shows the extent of the repair needed. He removes a gasket, a delicate process of engine repair. He cleans the valves with a rag, a meticulous act of restoration. A rusty car is shown, its grimy mirror a reflection of its neglect. He reassembles the valves, bringing the engine back to life piece by piece. He reassembles the valve push rods, a crucial step in the engine's repair. A tray of bolts and screws is shown, a testament to the complex process of engine repair. A bolt is reinstalled, its place in the engine secured once more. The bolt is tightened, a precise action in a complex symphony of repair. He tightens another bolt, his work a blend of strength and skill. The final bolts are tightened, a triumphant conclusion to the repair. The last bolt is secured, a symbolic end to a long and difficult task. The woman uses a tool on the engine, her role as a mechanic now fully visible. The man installs a hose, the final part of the engine's restoration. The engine bay is shown, its dirty state a stark contrast to the new parts being installed. A woman stands by a rusty car, a small part in her hand, a new challenge ahead. She kneels on the ground, searching for something, a determined hunt for a tool. A close-up of the car's dirty, worn-out tire and rusty wheel reveals its advanced state of decay. The final shot is a peaceful image of purple flowers, a beautiful end to a story of struggle and resilience. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Miss Mechanic for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.